Let's try microgreens, which are basically vegetables that have been harvested soon after they sprout, and they're supposed to be jam-packed with flavor and a lot more nutrients. Mustard. Oh, that's spicy. It has a bit of a heat on the sides of your tongue. It's almost like that bit of heat you get when you bite into a raw radish. Popcorn. Oh, I don't know about that one. Okay, that one just tastes like I ate grass. Oh, but it's a little bit sweet. It's like sweet grass. Okay, wait, the aftertaste is not bad. Sunflower. That's nice. It's almost refreshing. It almost tastes like I'm biting into a cucumber, like it's nice and light. Arugula. Wow. Okay, so this has a nice peppery flavor, but it is more so a very intense flavor. So it's basically concentrated arugula. That's what this is. Sweet pea. Nice, that tastes like peas. It's so cool how even before the vegetable is harvested and fully grown, you taste that flavor in its baby form. Radish. That's so cool how I'm tasting a radish. Oh, but this is even stronger. Wow, that's spicier. It's not the same type of spiciness that you would get from a chili or hot sauce. Beets. Again, it's so cool how you can taste the final product in its baby form before it's even grown, but this one isn't as concentrated. You do taste a bit of the beet. Yellow Swiss chard. I don't really taste anything. Okay, this honestly doesn't have a taste. I don't know what you're supposed to do with this. It's maybe a hint of grass. Red Swiss chard. Let's see if this one will have any flavor. Nothing. I think you're basically eating a Swiss chard with 10% flavor. Kale. Wow, that's like a sweet kale. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of kale. I prefer spinach, but this itself is a bit sweeter and it's not as bitter.